Hello, I'm Justin from Stour Valley Plumbing and Heating. Today we'll be trying the SCRUBB Calcium Limescale and Rust Remover. Unusual job for us today in that we've been asked to come to this Airbnb. The customer wants some new taps. They've been leaking, and if you can see, they've left a large amount of limescale deposits in the actual basin. Customer wants to know whether she needs a new set of taps or a basin as well. So we're just going to read the instructions. Quite simple. Most applications you dilute the product. For this application we're going to use it neat. So we are just going to apply the neat solution. It's got a recommended contact time of 10 minutes. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop back in 10 minutes, give it a go with a non-abrasive scourer, just see if we can get that off. Right, we're back after just a couple of minutes, not the recommended 10, and if you have a look, the stain's all but vanished, which is why we haven't waited and required 10 minutes. Customer previously had a go at this with a couple of other limescale removers that you buy in a supermarket. So we're just going to agitate that slightly. As you can see, it's completely removed the limescale, so it's a great product in my eyes, and the customer no longer needs to worry about buying a new basin, just a new set of taps. Thanks for watching.